I'm going to do a quick shout out to my international followers. I shout out to their country in their language. So it's going to be a quick go of it. So bear with me. I just want to get everybody all at once. Let's start with Japan. I do have quite a few Japanese followers who do come in on a regular basis. So konbanwa to you Japanese friends of mine. And yokoso tomodachi goshen arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you all, you Japanese beautiful people, for stepping in and supporting the way you do. Next, we're going to go to South Korea. Some beautiful K-pop and K-drama coming out of South Korea now. Tuina chimimita hanyo. Now we're going to China. I love some of those Chinese streamers. Shanghai, Bangkok, Hong Kong. To my beautiful follower who is in the midst of recovering from the Seven Tower fire, I'm still holding you up in my thoughts and prayers. Ni hao pu yo xie xie ni. To my friends in Thailand, Zawani, beautiful people from Thai. Malaysia, Salamat Laman. Got you, Salamat Malam. Thank you. Indonesia, Salamat Pagi. Philippines, Kumusta? Kaibigan na salamat to my beautiful women who come in from the Philippines. Who did I forget? Vietnam, Ho Chi Minh City. Lots and lots of beautiful people from Vietnam who watch the live stream. Ciao, boi doi to you in Vietnam. Ciao, boi doi. To my friends in Poland, Ting Zubra. And to my down under friends who are well into their evening, night. If you're one of those with insomnia and you can't sleep, we'll put you to sleep here, all right? Yeah. More small tracks, too. I think the smaller ones are the fox. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you so much for stepping in to Lady Hawk in the morning, afternoon, or evening. We're here. Tomorrow I'll be doing 2 streams. I'm going to get 2 of them going because Wednesday we're going to miss our noon stream. I'm going to a party. Yeah. Christmas party on Wednesday in the afternoon. So we'll do our live stream for the afternoon tomorrow. We'll get it in tomorrow on Tuesday. I hope you can join us. We all will also continue to have our morning, depending on the weather. Today I had to cancel the morning. It was 5 below zero. Yeah, that will definitely hurt you. And thank you all for stepping in. If you can share or repost this live stream, that would be super great, awesome. And maybe put it to your story. All of that helps so much. Thank you. Owl Lover. 5 Below is a store. Owl Lover. You're right. There is a store named 5 Below. Well, we're right on time with that one, aren't we? Thank you, Owl Lover, for coming in and having such a great sense of humor. Laughter is truly, truly the best medicine, and thank you for bringing some. kind to you. Watched my life for 400 minutes. Oh, you're a super great fan, Guy. Love you, love you. Thank you for the dedication. Thank you. You're one of the ones who shows up. Yeah, love you. Elan, thank you so much for stepping in. Good afternoon to you. Ashley's here. Good afternoon, Ashley. Allison. Good afternoon, Allison. It is so nice to see you beautiful people in the stream. Thank you for stepping in. And Miss Reason, thank you for the repost. And Rita Billingsley, thank you for stepping in and showing that love. Donald Guff is here. Got you, Donald. Nice to see you. Ralph for the follow. Ralph Simpson did a great job following. I can't follow you back, Ralph. I have reached the limit of 10,000 follow backs. If anybody in the stream could please follow back that person, put a smile on their face. Thank you for the heart, me. And there's Ashley Dental Hygiene. Thank you. Merry Christmas to you as well, Ashley. So nice to see you. Story followed. Thank you, Story. So nice. Susan Clayton is here. Good morning, Susie. Good morning, everyone. So beautiful here. And it is afternoon. Of course it is. All right. I'm trying to figure out the lighting here at this time of the day. That's one of the major things when you do photographing or videographing. You really need to get that lighting down. So I'm going to go a little bit quiet on you today, and I'm going to concentrate on getting you the best possible visuals that I can, because I understand the assignment, guys. This is where I usually get into the stream. I love to walk the stream because the visuals are amazing from inside the water. But it might be too much ice. I've got a floating ice here. Might be too much ice to risk it trying to get in today. It's kind of slushy. Yeah, I'm going to be safe instead of sorry, okay? Let's do it that way. How are you guys? Are you having a great day so far? Let me know what's going on with you. Oh, and I did put up a video. It's not my choice in music. It was a boost video, so I can't take it down. And I'm trying to get the music changed on it, so I'm in the process. Please know that that was not my choice. It has foul language in it. It was not my choice. So if you come across the video and it like raises your eyebrows up a little, that's what I'm talking about. It's kind of rap music. I don't know why they paired me up with it. It was TikTok's choice in music. So yeah. All right. Let's keep moving. Look at this, amazing. This is going to be, they're going to be able to skate on this. Wow. Do any of you ice skate? Any of you northern people where it gets really cold? I used to ice skate, but I don't do it anymore. It's very, very hard on the ankles. You have to have strong ankles. Thank you, Eve. It's so nice to see you in the stream. Always nice to see you. And again, there are fish in this water, salmon and trout. And where am I? Most asked question, I am on the East Coast, the north part of the East Coast, the tri-state area. Tri-state, look it up. I'm in one of them. Crazy Legs. Thank you, Crazy Legs, for stepping back into the live with us again. So nice to see you. Uncle Garrett is here. Hello, Uncle Garrett. Mohammed, thank you for stepping in. Adam Hope is here again. Good afternoon, Adam. All right, we're going to go up Brook a little bit and see if that's frozen over. I'll bet you it is. Let's go see. Thank you so much for the gift. Thank you. Guess what? There was an animal who walked across my heart and left some tracks on my heart. We're going to look at it. You're going to tell me what kind of animal it was, okay? Where is it? Oh, there it is. Let's see if you can see it. Let me get my shadow out of the way. What was it? What was it? A bird of some kind? Looks like a bird. Tracking over our heart. Love you guys. Thank you so much for showing up today. It's so nice to see you all. Yeah, look at that tracks going across my heart. There must be an omen in that. This animal was slipping. All right, they're out and about. I'm not sure what kind of animals. It kind of looks like coyote. Could be fox. Definitely a canine footprint. And good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Thank you guys for showing up today. It's a beautiful afternoon here. We're at 20 degrees. We're going up to 24 by the time I close out the stream today. I hope I caught you in a good way. I hope your day has been going well. Morning if it's morning for you, and evening if it's evening for you. I hope it's all good. All right, are we chilling yet? Have we brought you down a notch? Slowed you up a notch? Yeah, we're working on that. That's my mission. Thank you for the donut. Thank you for the love. Gosh, they're everywhere. It's one animal traveling alone. I would say maybe a dog, but most dogs are not. They're here on leash. There's not like any wild dogs or anything like that. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to you. Morning or evening, whatever it is for you. Thank you so much for stepping into the stream with me. I never know what to expect when I change the time. It's hard to say. But thank you guys for being here. Yes, we are frozen completely over in some places here on the brook. The water's flowing under the ice. You can still hear it. Daydreamer, good morning. P.S. Slipbrayer, thank you for stepping in. Letters. Elvis did follow. Thank you, Elvis, for the follow. Hello, de France. Bonjour. Bonjour, merci. Daydreamer says it's 26 degrees where he is. It's probably close to that here. Long shadows, short days. We're going to be getting longer days once we hit the 21st. Yes, that's what happens. They go short and then they go long. Right now, our sun is setting at 4:30 in the afternoon. It is dark at 4:30. And the sun doesn't come up until after 7 a.m. So we have very, very dark days. Dark. For a while. That'll change soon. I have this place, thank you for the gift. I have this place on videos year-round, every season. And every season it has its own beauty. Here's a beautiful sycamore tree. When I came in the back trail today, so we were able to see the big old tree. That's a sycamore, 200-year-old sycamore. But here's a younger one, and it's a great example of how they shed their bark. They shed their bark because it's very, very stiff, and it doesn't allow them the growth rate that they like. Once it sheds its bark, it gets this beautiful camouflage look to it. The sycamore tree, yeah, one of my fave. Thank you, Sue. Thank you, Druid. Thank you. So nice to see you beautiful people in the live stream with me today. And good morning, afternoon, or evening to all of you. Most asked questions, where are you? I got that. I am on the east coast of the United States, and I am in the tri-state area, northern part of the East Coast. It's beautiful here. We are in the midst of winter, as you can see. We have several snowfalls already, and now the temperature is plummeting, so it all turns to ice. And again, thank you all for stepping in. This live stream is all about chilling out. I want to take you out of that hectic, stressful situation that you're in. I'm guessing you're out there, and I'm guessing someone is in that situation. Sit with me for a minute. Yeah, come and sit with me. We'll slow you down, step it back, and we'll have a beautiful, beautiful time together, and you'll feel better. Walking near water lifts your mood and lowers your blood pressure. There's a structure over here that you may see from time to time, and that's an old barn. It was built in 1799, well over 200 years old. There's several structures in this area that were built during that time period. They built them near the river so they could watch the river traffic. It was the main source of transportation back then, the river. I myself live in a house that was built in 1810. Yes, it's very old, over 200. But it's beautiful. It's a beautiful house, but it's a money pit. It is. Sarah, thank you for stepping in. Alice, thank you, Alice, for being here. Ikar 17852, thank you for stepping in. And I want to thank the moderators for being here today. Thank you, guys. You guys are awesome. You do a great job. I don't know what I would do without you. It would be a lot different. Oh, the ducks are going to ride the river, and I'm not even on the river. I don't know that you can see them, actually. No. First time we've seen any wildlife in a while. It's been so cold. Thank you so much for showing the love. Good, great. You guys are great. Thank you. 80% there already. Yeah. That makes me smile. Some animal put their footprints across the heart. I had a group of 8-year-olds down here with me one day in the spring. We were hiking in the spring. And they said, Lady Hawk, come here. You have to see this. And they found that stone heart. They go, it's a heart. And it does look like a heart. Then they told me to kind of look for the fairies. I didn't see any. They did. I didn't. Baby girl Anne, thank you for stepping in, baby girl. Colleen, thank you for stepping in. Thank you, Maisie. Thank you. Thank you, Maisie, for the repost. Reposting is so important to help push this live stream out. We like to share it out to as many people as possible. It's worth sharing, don't you think? It's so brief. The time that the ice and the snow is here is just a few months and it's gone. So I try to get out and enjoy it while I can and share it with you. Daz, thank you for the repost, Daz. So nice. Thank you. I don't see any fishermen here today. Haven't seen any in about a week now. I think it's too cold for the fishing, or for the fishermen. This is a fly fishing destination. Fly fishermen come from all over the world to fish these rivers. We have 38 minor tributaries in the state and 4 major tributaries. Lots and lots of rivers to fish. We stock every river all throughout the winter with fish. We have fish in the hatchery that we spawn ourselves, so we know the fish are healthy and ready to be consumed by the bears. Yes, we have lots of black bear here. They're all hibernating now. No threat of bears. Thank you, Jackson. Nice to see you. We did have a pack of wolves that crossed our state. Five wolves were traveling. They've been tracking them from North Dakota. And they have no idea where they're going or why they left the area they were in. But the EPA, the Environmental Protection, and the game wardens have been tracking these animals. They came across our state, but they've already left. They've gone across, so there's no issue with the wolves. They're gone. Thank you, Emmy. Thank you so much for the love. Lovey is here. Nice to see you, Lovey. Art by Derek. Good afternoon, Derek.